That's right, we have reached 100K on our Subi, so I think it's only fitting that we install something else or something new onto the car that we've been wanting to do for a while. And I've had this grill for a bit, just never had the time to put it on, huh? So I think I've already wrapped it in some carbon fiber so it doesn't get destroyed on the road from daily driving this car. Just gonna go like this. And Jade's gonna help me remove the front bumper. I've already gone ahead and removed the 9 clips on the bottom, unscrewed the 1, 2, 3, what is it, 4 or 5 bolts on top and 3 clips. Now we just gotta pop it off. Remember how? Alright, go ahead. Yeah. Alright, not yet. Hold on. Gotta get that side too. Just like that. Pull it off. Oh, easy. And now we just gotta disconnect it. And just from right here.
Here?
Yeah.
Full?
No, this one, the blue one. Unclip that and remove this wire for our C lights, the switchback lights. And now we can pull it off to the side and unscrew. What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. I should probably get another. Yeah. Alright, so now you see these right here? Just with your thumb, push down, and then you're gonna have to push forward. Like, huh? Oh. Alright, I'll do this one. I think there's one more on the side.
Oh.
It's okay. It's beat up as it is. Look, you just see how beat up it is. Doesn't really matter. And we're gonna be replacing this emblem onto the new one, to the new grill, before we put it back on. So. Yeah. Excuse the barking dog. So yeah, we've replaced the WRX emblem onto the new JDM grill. Now we're gonna pop this back in. Put your hand from the other side and then, yeah, just make sure they'll click. We're not only installing the grill today, we're also going to be installing these puppies. Now you see we already picked the color. It's going to be 300K? And you can pick from different colors. We're going with this. Huh. There you go. First we're going to remove the old one. Yeah, this one. You twist this one off. This right here. Just twist it clockwise, counterclockwise. Like that. There you go. Pull out. And that's the old one. Now the new one. Just do the opposite. Yeah. Just like that. Then that one you're going to click back onto that.
Oh, that's easy.
Do the same on this side. So test.
There.
Need a clip?
Yeah. That's good.
That wasn't so hard, was it? Yeah, it doesn't matter what order, as long as we connect them all back. Alright.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's not in all the way. Is it? See? Yeah, make sure it's in all the way. There we go.
And then this two.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay.
Alright, so before we put the whole bumper back on, you want to test the lights? Make sure everything's back on? I mean, turns on? Alright. Alright, so. That actually looks much better. Yeah. Alright, so now that we made sure that the lights are working properly, we can go ahead and install the bumper back on. Yeah, we gotta make sure. Let's do the same on the other side. Alright, so that's that. So we gotta put our bolts and clips back on, and we're done. That wasn't so hard, was it? Alright.